Why did the mushroom throw a party? Because he was a fun guy. Konnichiwa everyone. Welcome back to Berry Berry Life. Today we have something truly special for you. A delicious Wafu, or Japanese style mushroom pasta. It's a fusion of Japanese and Italian flavors that combine to create something out of this world. So let's get started. For this recipe we'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt to cook the pasta, a handful of parsley, and several different types of mushrooms. Today we have these fresh shiitake caps, a bunch of hen of the woods, or Maitake. These mushrooms usually grow in autumn. And we have a bundle of Shimeji brown and Shimeji white. Together they'll bring different textures and flavors to the dish. And lastly, we'll need 8 ounces of linguine pasta. Feel free to substitute it for your favorite style of pasta. If you're new to this channel, glad you could join us. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to help support this channel. And click that bell icon to receive notifications every time we upload. Since this recipe only has a few ingredients, there isn't a lot of prep needed. We'll start by mincing the garlic. Fun fact, garlic has a compound called allicin that helps boost the immune system and lower blood pressure. Next we'll prep the mushrooms, starting with shiitake. We've taken the stem off and wiped the cap with a damp towel. We'll slice these into strips about a 1/4 inch thick. What's shiitake's favorite type of movie? Anything with a captivating story. Whether buying or using mushrooms, you want to avoid any that contain brown or dark splotches, or have a bad smell. It usually means there is presence of bacteria, but these look great. Next we'll cut the shimeji. These usually come in a bunch. We'll have to slice off the bottom to separate them. And now we'll prep the brown shimeji. These mushrooms are mostly grown in China, Japan, and Korea, and are used commonly in hot pots, stir fries, or soups. We want to remove any excess dirt, so we'll throw them in a strainer and rinse them off. Last of our shrooms is the Maitake. Maitake translates to dancing mushroom in English. We only want the top leafy part, so we'll cut off the woody stem. These shrooms usually grow in the fall, and go by several names. Hen of the woods, sheep's head, or signorina, which means the unmarried woman in Italian. Despite what you may have heard, it's fine to wash mushroom in water. Just let them dry before you store them. We don't need to let them dry here as we'll use them right away. Lastly, we'll roughly chop the parsley. When boiling the pasta, we'll use only half the recommended amount of water. This will concentrate the starch in the pasta water, and add a tablespoon of salt. And add the pasta with a dramatic flourish, or at least try. Then give them a gentle nudge until they all go under. We want to cook these to al dente, which means to the teeth, so there should be a little bite to it. When the pasta is close to being done, we want to save a cup of the pasta water. We may not use all of it, but it's better to have more and need less. Because we're using less water, we want to keep stirring the pasta every couple of minutes to keep them from clumping. That's it, now we'll drain the pasta water. Now we can cook with fire. In a large pan on medium-low heat, we'll add the olive oil and then the garlic. We want to add the garlic when the oil is cold. As the oil heats up, the garlic will steam and bubble and release its flavor into the oil. We'll saute the garlic for about 30 seconds or until it's softened. Then we pile on the shrooms. And we'll sprinkle on a little bit of our black magic pepper. And saute these until they glitter like gold, as they say in the biz. Probably. If we stop the video right here, nobody would suspect a thing. These are ready to eat. Oh man, just look at these, you guys. Don't they look incredible? But as Randy Beckman said, you ain't seen nothing yet. We were already at mythical with these mushrooms. Now we kick it up a notch and elevate this dish to a transcendent level where it exists on a plane of its own. We'll add the butter and let it melt halfway. Then we'll add our light soy sauce to create a luscious, lip-smacking umami sauce. We'll let the mushrooms luxuriate and soak up this amazing sauce so they're bursting with flavor. And let the sauce reduce a little. When the sauce starts to bubble, we'll add our pasta, along with a half a cup of our extra starchy pasta water. Now we'll gently stir and combine to create a silky sauce that coats and binds to the pasta. See how slowly the sauce glides in the pan? That's the type of viscosity you're looking for. At this point, we'll turn off the heat and top it with some parsley. The parsley will provide a citrusy bite that will cut through the richness of the butter and soy sauce. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more great recipes. And let us know in the comments below your favorite Wafu or Japanese style recipe. Whether date night or weeknight, this soy butter pasta is sure to impress. It only takes about 20 to 30 minutes depending on your logistical skills. But to your loved ones, it'll seem like you've been cooking for hours. And there you have it, our luxurious Japanese style soy butter mushroom pasta. It's rich and packed with an umami punch. Perfect for a special occasion or any day you want to treat yourself to something out of this world. Itadakimasu, which means I humbly receive, equivalent to bon appetit or let's eat. Hope you enjoyed this video. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes like this one. Dozo mishigare, which means please enjoy your meal in Japanese. If you try this recipe, tag us on Instagram at berryberrylife. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.